CLASI Certificate in Ayres Sensory Integration is a 6-module program that encompasses the broad set of knowledge and skills that support therapy practice using Ayres Sensory Integration. The program emphasizes the importance of comprehensive assessment and provides detailed training in the EASY and the CIPT, as well as the SPM. Rather than providing a certification in any one set of tests, we strive to enhance an understanding of the core concepts of ASI, including the main areas that must be included in a comprehensive assessment. CLASI Modules 1, 2, 4, and 5 are offered through online training. Modules 3 and 6 are traditionally offered live at a site of your choice. Due to the pandemic, we are temporarily offering our traditionally on-site modules in a synchronous virtual format. Each module will provide 30 hours of training for a total of 180 hours for the total program. CLASI is an approved provider of continuing education units by the American Occupational Therapy Association and a member of the International Council for Education in Ayres Sensory Integration, which provides global standards for education in ASI. For more information, please visit us at cl-asi.org.